Hey everybody, Cody here from Dronadair. On this video, I wanted to show you how to set up your booking radius to ensure that your clients do not book a job on your page that is outside of your travel requirement, to ensure that you can get paid for travel outside your comfort level. So if you go to the My Website tab over here and you scroll down to business details, underneath here you'll see radius. So once you click radius, you can ultimately change however far you want to be booked from, and this goes for packaged missions. So if you set it at 100 miles, for example, that will save. Once you copy your URL and you go to a new page, if your clients try to book you outside of a range, once they start the mission, they will ultimately be directed to request a custom mission. I'm going to log out of my pilot account here so you can see it from a client's perspective. So if I book a job outside of my range, say I'm in the client and say I'm just going to go Las Vegas, for example, or let's just do Fort Worth, Texas, either way. If I select that range, it'll say that the address appears outside of their normal working area. No need to worry. You can still create a custom mission and it'll automatically direct your clients to submit a custom mission form that then will be able to, you will give them a quote on the back end of your page so that you can enter in the proper travel for that job. Hope that helps. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.